Hello everyone, welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. Today we are sharing a very special video dedicated to a date night dinner. One of the main reasons it is special is because my husband is on a mission to prepare a 3-course meal all within £20 budget. Let me present to you my dear husband Ranjan.
Hello everyone, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm cooking a 3-course meal as a date night dinner for my wife. This is the menu. Main idea is to make all these 3 courses under £20. During these pandemic times, unfortunately, we husband can't take our wives to a fancy restaurant on a special occasion. But still we can create an unforgettable restaurant experience at home. So my goal is to give a restaurant experience to my wife and all under £20. Usually my wife cooks amazing Indian meal for me, but today I will go out of my comfort zone and I cook European meal for her. Just to mention, she is Lithuanian and I'm Indian. For our starter, we will need following ingredients. Total cost for these ingredients is $3.99. You can find them all in the description below. For the main course, you will need these ingredients. And total cost for these ingredients is $6.80. You can find them all in description below. For the dessert, you will need these ingredients. And total cost for these ingredients is $8.25. You can find them all in description below. Let's begin. We will start by preparing our chicken legs. Run a sharp knife along the center of a thigh to reveal the bone, then down the drumstick to reveal the drumstick bone. First remove the thigh bone, then drumstick bone. Carefully cut the joint, and here you have a boneless chicken leg. Now we will wrap the chicken into cling film and give it a good bash. Let's start with dessert. Put a glass bowl on top of the boiling water. Add butter. Then add dark chocolate. We use quality 70% cocoa chocolate. Feel free to use any type of chocolate you fancy. Use 150 grams of chocolate. Now let's make the batter. In a large bowl, add 3 large eggs, beat it well. Sift self-rising flour into beaten egg. Then sift the cocoa powder. Mix well. As our chocolate is melting, add a pinch of salt. Now add melted chocolate into the batter. Add caster sugar. Mix well. Then line the baking tray with baking paper and pour the batter. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 25 minutes. We will start with preparing the mushroom filling. In preheated pan, add butter and some olive oil. Then add chopped shallots. Mix well. Add chopped garlic. Add salt, black pepper. Mix well and fry for a minute. Then add mushrooms. Then add chopped fresh coriander. Mix well. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Once ready, take it out into a bowl. Now we will make a chicken roulade. On the flesh side of the chicken, add some salt and pepper. Then add cheese slice, mushroom filling. Gently roll the chicken. Close them with the toothpicks like this. Now add some butter and olive oil into a preheated griddle pan. Add chicken. Fry for 3 minutes on each side on a high heat to crisp up the skin. Now our brownies should be ready. Take it out from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now let's add the chicken into the oven. Roast it for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. While the chicken is in the oven, we will prepare cauliflower puree and creamy sauce. Boil cauliflower for 10 minutes until it's soft. While cauliflower is boiling, we will prepare the sauce. In the pan where we cooked the mushroom, add some butter and olive oil. Add chopped shallots. Then add garlic. Add salt. Add pepper, then mix well. Now add 50 ml of white wine. Mix for a few seconds so alcohol evaporate from wine. Add fresh thyme, you can use dried as well. Now add double cream and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. Now add fresh coriander and mix well. Have a little taste and season more if needed. Add boiled cauliflower into a blender together with some cooking water. Add butter, salt, black pepper. Blend it into a smooth puree. Now chicken is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Slice the sourdough bread. Dry roast them in preheated pan for 1 minute on each side. Now we will prepare the baby tomatoes. In preheated pan, add some butter and olive oil. Add garlic. And add tomatoes. Add salt and pepper. Mix them and cook for 5 minutes. Add some chopped coriander and it's ready. Now it's time to plate it all up and serve to my wife. Spread some goat cheese on the toast. Then top it up with charred tomatoes. It's a go time. While she's enjoying the starter, let's plate up the main. Remove the toothpicks. Evenly slice it up. Looks cooked really well. Firstly, add cauliflower puree. Then add fried mushroom left from the filling. Top it with creamy sauce. Then add slice of chicken roulade. Garnish with some beetroot leaf salad and coriander leaves. Let's see her reaction now. Finally, it's her favorite part, dessert. Slice the brownie into cubes. Garnish with some raspberry and vanilla ice cream. Looks like she loved it.
And I can confirm it was all so amazing. We hope you can cook these recipes for your loved ones. Thanks for my husband for amazing dinner. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe The Good Mix Kitchen.